Ethnographic methods are about observation. Classics include things like going to a particular place, a street corner, standing there, interacting with the people who come and go from it, finding out what the place means for them. In educational terms, you might conduct an ethnography of the canteen, or the quad, or the library. By being in there, observing who comes in and out, how regularly, talking to them and finding out what the place means for them, why they're there, what they're doing, and what education means for them as a consequence. Where surveys tend to focus on broad and generalizable understandings, this method attempts to form a focused insight into a particular group or a way of life. They've long been preferred by the interpretivist school in sociology because they gather rich and detailed qualitative data. They're supposed to give us a greater depth of understanding and can also make them very useful for finding out why and what things mean for people. In general, this type of data suffers from some common problems. Critics of ethnography tend to say, well, you find out what you're looking for because you went along there with a set of biases in hand, and you talked to the people and you ignored the people who didn't confirm your biases, and you played up the ones who did. Other things that have been said have been, well, when you go there, you look for certain things and somebody else goes and looks for something else, so they're not reliable. They're extremely time-consuming when they're done properly. You have to spend a lot of time interacting with the people in the group or participating in the way of life or observing the interactions that you're interested in. Research using ethnographic approaches therefore tends to give us detailed insights into why particular social phenomena occur. They tend to favour viewing things from the point of view of the actors involved. However, it lacks breadth and representativeness and can only offer us limited generalizations.